from the very first day. When I thought I caught it, and then I went back to the school. I resigned. I'm done with the books. Now I'm gonna be a television star. I mean, please, one last chance. I insist. And I said, but okay, you can wait outside. And I said, I waited, patiently waiting, bruh. And I said, whatever, because when I smoked almost everything, cocaine. Ngiphuma kulutuzana kunyawopi heroin yabo ngiphuma ku rock, you understand, and the rock ngayiyekela without going to rehab. I just told myself, so mangi hit that one line, no my man, yes yo, the world was beautiful. I became sober in an instant. I was sober, you understand. My mind was way too sharp, you understand. So I want even the guys from NHL Ehrenberg, some of them knew me. Some of them knew my work. Yeah, Nigerian, most of them. But I'm also overdosed. I want. Libafanas akavuki hayi
so like
overdosile ayivuki let me picture this if I'm trying. Who knows very well what I'm not. Yeah, can we try?
So that
I can cry, I can smile, I don't do anything. Yes, I did quit my drugs, but not all of them.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy G-Tech. Welcome to my Marulem Podcast. Put live more right now. Mafetu, we're back with another episode. Back to back, Mafetu. No dia wo no sanana kwa wema. Panda ke le tshwarechi Innocent Masuku aka Wowo.
Yeah.
He's over fit. My Ino.
Me out here.
It's over there.
Very much.
I'm fit to sharp.
No fit me, I'm happy. I wanna kishile, kinide, kajali acha.
I'm not the archer.
Yeah, bloody acha.
It's called TM Limpopo Mango Archer.
Natural. Just the mango feature. Get it from the tree to the container.
You already know what time it is. So mara wikule byangachi like.
Imunati natural picture. Natural pra. Imunati picture.
So like ache mo inyaka ne.
Yeah.
We keraya Jimmy Stain le Limpopo.
Oh, Jimmy Stain le Limpopo fela ne. Yeah.
Limpopo shop number 48A High Road Jimmy Stain.
Oh, High Road ko Jimmy Stain ne.
Yes, the number cha hona if you wanna order.
Yeah.
Go wholesale. So barekisha like masaka. If you wanna start your own business as well, you can order a mabon.
Okay, cool, yeah.
Straight from the tree to the
container.
Yes.
Yeah.
So number jabona is 072 475 7890. Chilling work is 073 151 5101. So
yeah.
You can order, but deliver nationwide. Can you imagine? Like it's
but deliver is it?
Like you can just request the
no giphila ka acha ki DNA yaka ana giphila ka acha
the flavor mo kore the flavor je di bomo ke tshimata. I think we're not testing giving flavor. Oh, ke chilies.
Oh, na le chilies. Plain. Yeah.
So like depend ka ro wena o nyaka ba go mixa tsa yona bang ba go bethela yona ka mogo wena o inyaka ka ona. So o tsoga for go babalaza. O re le ke eng taitane? Ke chakalaka. Except ordering from the number, checking if you Jonathan.
Wala. Yeah. Yeah, sure.
I want a middleman.
I'm not between men.
Tom carrying it
To the container, from the container to the stomach. Not bad.
Welcome to the show, Fit. Like, I want us to get right straight into it.
Yeah, sure. No problem,
So,
bro.
like, I want to know what like, like, how did you grow up?
Okay, cool. Let me just introduce myself once more. My name, as you mentioned before, my name is Innocent Masugu, aka Bobo de Hobo, aka Uncle P.O.P. Scotch never die pickaxe and kisses, but Sheshabangrata off bounce back like I never have. Oh yeah, my man. Yes, my man.
Yes.
And by the way, thank you for having me, my brother.
truly appreciate it.
Because such platforms, understand, they are very important. Because most people, I want to spit mouth behind our backs. That is
Yes.
why some of us, we are not working. That's why some of us, opportunities where to our circle strong like before.
Yes.
You understand? I want to part. I want to say. I want to part. If people, but if people are born on my podcast, I want more platform, platforms like this. Understand? I want some people now, but about call because they can see what a man. This person is forever developing.
Yes.
This person is still alive and kicking.
Yes.
This person is evolving. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much, my brother. Yeah.
So let's go back. Like,
Yeah.
How was the situation back at home?
Okay, cool. When I was born and bred close to Ezol, you understand? Yeah, I went to the local schools, you understand? Yeah, but unfortunately I didn't finish my matric. I'm a high school dropout. I want to part by choice, you understand? But I don't condone that, you understand? Because I had to make a choice. I want to see a situation you understand? Because I could see both my parents were trying, you understand? Ukuthi nami ngibe umuntu obetter, yabona ngibe sharp life ini, yabona ngikwazi ukuthi nami ngibe better, understand? But seeing the situation, I had to choose, understand? Because the opportunity came through while I was still in high school, you understand? Yabona so ngabona ukuthi hey son, yazini la nginama options ayi-two, you understand? It's either inyokanga and get arrested, or I take this opportunity. I want never mind ukuthi I'm a high school dropout. Because when I believe that as a creative, you never stop learning.
You never stop learning.
Yeah, you never stop learning. You understand?
Okay.
So ngikhule kanjalo. You understand? We were not that poor. We were not rich. You understand? We were just surviving.
Yes,
we were just surviving. You understand?
I
And I remember, you understand? I grew up in a business-oriented family. We were selling cosmetics, vegetables and fruits and veg, you understand? So my father taught me, you understand, how to survive. Taught me how to be streetwise. He also taught me how to make money without stealing. You understand? So that is why I want to be patient, you understand? Knowing what if I don't have, I don't have. I know if I want something, I have to work hard for it, you understand, rather than stealing it, you understand? Yeah, so I thank him very much. May your souls rest in peace, understand? Because both of them are gone.
Your parents?
My parents, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, understand, yeah. My mother got 2001, my father got 2008, but as they say, with time heals, you understand? I want to part a very important thing. I want it is my sibling are surviving because I'm the firstborn. Hence my name Kosan. You understand?
Innocent Kosan.
Yeah, Innocent Kosana Masu. You understand?
Okay,
I want to part. I'm glad. I want to it is. We are still surviving. Whenever I can help. I do provide. Anything for my siblings. And that makes me happy.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
So Karen.
The eight.
Four. Your same mother.
Mother and father. You understand?
Wow. Okay.
It's 4 boys and 8 girls. But
wait,
Yeah.
4 boys and 8 girls.
Four boys and 8 girls living, you understand? But there was a firstborn, the one party utilele limewaka. Mulinyalung, you understand?
All right, okay, I get you.
So the firstborn mom, you understand? Yeah, from my mother's side. So meaning firstborn from both parents, you understand? I never saw the difference than the one because of the way I was calling understand?
Right,
We're just brothers and sisters. There was no half brother, half sister, and there was none of that.
Man, like you have never been in a situation where you are being abused, no, like there's never been a toxic environment at the time you were growing up.
Yeah. It did happen. It did happen when I was growing up. You understand? Because if you were not a thug, you understand, or if you're not known for stealing cars or carrying guns, understand? Automatically, those victimizer forever. Victimizer forever.
Okay.
Yeah, you understand? But I only went once, and I understand for the housebreaking. I had a bad experience, and from then I knew what I feel dynamic.
That's not my line.
That's not my line. Understand? So from then, from selling cosmetic vegetables so ngama holidays ngama weekends understand bekubamba ama jobs peace job kuma Indians and stuff understand by so doing you understand most of the guys that I grew up with they thought I was stealing alone understand I never told them riding Indians understand
okay no tshwara di-peace job and then no
so they told to me so they started respecting me never knowing you understand but even today each job description I won't tell you because today I'll be washing tissues. Tomorrow I'll be washing clothes. With the Indians, there's always something to be done. Yeah, understand?
Okay. Okay. So
yeah, I do, bro.
3 kids.
Yeah, that I know.
Different mothers.
Yeah. I'm gonna firstborn, 3 firstborns. Serious, man. So you're a ball. Yeah, I know.
You're a ball. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's talk about your acting career.
Yes.
Hey, let's talk about your acting career.
Yeah.
That's the first time I go
yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, that was your first gig.
Yeah, television. Yeah. First big television gig. You understand? Yeah, because I started going to community theater, you understand? I was just doing it as a hobby, you understand? Because I just wanted to do something that would keep me away from the streets.
Okay,
you understand? Yeah, understand? Because I didn't want to disappoint my parents, you understand? Because I knew what when I'm being isn't right in life, understand? So when I saw community theater, and I was discovered by Chester, the guy who was playing Chester one, who is one.
Chester, Ola wa Mazazadi.
I told me who called my rape and stuff. One discover a calling supplement. I was all just cut there, so then I got famous. The supplement I couldn't get Zola. Oh, wow. Yeah, Zola 7. We met through a corner, and because it's in a and when after selling my stuff, I will hang around a corner. When some will be benzani some will gambling abanye badlala ama-dice and stuff yabona so thina besilegekele ukuthi abomama bebuya emsebenzini saba-protector yabona sababambela ama-bag from emsebenzini nasekuseni uyabona we do the same thing yabona so uyabona so esikhathini esiningi yabona kade basibooster and besithanda nokucula yabona because then I was involved ne-church choir yabona because mina ngikhulele eZion from Zion ngaswisha ngaye-12 apostoli you understand so ngarecruita namajita wami you understand ukuthi sengicule esontweni yabona because what I liked about isonto especially when we are in a choir you understand you don't have to worry about clothes abazalwane will buy you clothes will pay for transport you eat for free you drink for free you understand because we are in a choir you understand so that's how Uzola, I met Uzola through that corner, you understand? And that's where we met. And then Chester thought I was so talented. And I never knew what I was talented. But yeah, he saw something special in me.
How did he see you? Who won the rain?
I don't know. But
like he just picked you. Like
it just picked me. Because cracking jokes and stuff. Just before the fame came in, you understand? I was already popular. Focus.
Okay.
You understand? I want from Koskolong. I want to Likokasi. I want for doing is right. I want no Kulmakakulu and stuff. Yeah. You understand? Even the gangsters sometimes will come to me. I want abazo for the loan for root by dropping by Ukang. You understand? So that is why somehow I was so protected. Because I will give them money. You understand?
And no loan shark.
Not a loan shark is it, but I will give them money. If they do pay me back, it's fine. If they don't, maybe they will give me a television or something. That is more weighty. That's more weighty than the money in Babolega. Yeah, you understand.
Okay, so no.
So so that's how I grew up. And sometimes they will use me to sell their stuff. You understand? Because they don't shit when I buy about lava with sauce. When I saw the access to each and every door, each and every household, you're wanting the access. So sometimes we look use them to sell their stuff. Never commission. So I'll be set up. Obviously it will be a television, sound system. There's a from housebreaking. Anything in a veil like you from entertainment system to jewelry sometimes and stuff. You understand? When a book depend on the day you needed to cash. You understand? Yeah.
Makes sense. So during that life, Nakwela was a too much screening, more popular than the way you were Nakwela was at Sala High School.
Yeah.
So like Livian compared to life away Pilang.
My man, my man was larger than life according to myself. You understand? The fame, one was bigger than us. You understand? Because I was when I was just an ordinary boy. Then the next thing, I want like more televisioning. Everybody now loves me. The ladies, something is sexy. You understand? I'm getting freebies everywhere I go. Sometimes I get when the manager no. Yabona umnikeza imali sometimes ngene eshop yempahla yabona ngiphomo sengigqoke impahla ezintsha sengishuthe nethombe sengibhlakile ebabondeni yabona without paying any cent. Understand? I remember the first time I flew to Cape Town. My first flight. I remember I flew to Cape Town. It was very nice, and it was a huge experience. Understand? Because even my invitations. I want to tell my invitations. Majele, churches, Korikolong. Understand? Everywhere I go. Understand? No more having an akari. Understand? Begging hambe 3 meters ngathola lift.
No.
Understand? Because it's popular. Even naseteksini bathi ngiyabhadala no don't pay yabona yabona ngene KFC no don't pay yabona
No phila sharp.
ngisho ukuthi man life is nice understand but the risk I took my man yabona to get there because I remember when I got into the acting space I was still in high school understand and then I went to the first audition and the way yabona treatment engayithola ne-respect understand the cameras were all over me engaskipsing the late Tebogo Matlasi about Desri Mahraf, understand? So when from the very first day, when I thought I got it, and then I went back to the school, I resigned, and I'm done with the books. Now I'm gonna be a television star. And I told everybody, I even told my friends about my family, my extended family members, from now on, you'll see me on television, I'll be playing Upo, never knowing that was just the first call. First of all, second call, third call, until they find out what am I looking for? You understand?
Okay.
Already I told everybody, meaning I was called for a second time. How? I was called for the third time, and then they never called me. You understand? Because sometimes more audition. Once you are done with the audition, they tell you, don't call us. We'll call you. Understand? And already, I've told people that I'm in. And then came the fateful day. You understand? When the biggest Pumbela in the army, and then my cell phones were not popular then. Understand? So among a couple sticks, I want a couple sticks. I want the place. It is Zalandela. I want this street to sticks. Upon the point. And we sticks that the following street, the following street to chest. Understand? Yes, it's the castle one.
Bricks.
About Chippy Gangster, Brixie, Chippy Gangster.
GP my orange.
I Chippy Orange. Chippy Gangster, the group about the Tooms. I was him. The group Chippy Gangster. And then about Zola. About Mendoza, Chiscop, I want to song about my papus, about anyone. So we knew each other. And when the way before the fame came in, you understand? Because sometimes if something calling, you understand? Because when the first time I saw Zola, I'm gonna perform a doctor Nabu Bravo, you were imitator, and then got to one of demo, and by that time, if only demo was born with a low serious.
It's a disc.
But since I'm a disc, and EMI is a say downtown, you understand? In going, but it's still tailing as a city. Understand? So going back to still say izo again, mangifika couple sticks from in the but no, sticks ageko, baba phone no chest, understand? Often about no chest, about sign a contract, and then the following week they are studying about shooter so easy, understand? And I went mad with how come I won? Then I went straight to cover chest because my cell phones were not popular then. I started to serve our calls through landline. And the cover chairs there, go Google, I'm a cause it imported got to receive a cover chairs, understand? And then among figure cover chairs, I was then in Yabu's store, I want to tell Mama and Umamane with his sisters, I want Yabu's go to Upu chairs, I want. No, they called him Izo, I want, and they're starting to shoot a shooter from next week, Izo, I want. And they're going to already celebrate, I want, they are happy with it. I want Umtana television. I mean, they didn't call me.
Celebrate for chess.
Yeah, for the chess and sticks with it. I want because best has a go back here, go chest when you started. I want the community theater, understand? I was familiar with it. If familiar keeping each other cool. I want. So now they told me the very same story. I was like, mention no more innocent about next. And poor, my one. At some point, I was sulking, my man, sulking. I want to think myself too hard. I want party. I want after about 30 minutes to 1 hour. I take a decision yabona ukuthi yazi and now manje ukhumbule the pressure
Yeah, uri wena uphile boskela.
ngizovela ethelevishini not knowing ukuthi ayisani kanti bayaselecta. Yes, you understand. Then I went straight to Sasani Studios, understand. Yabona mangifika la ngithola engazi nobudista yabona. Bangibuza then Innocent, what brings you here yabona. Maybe you made a mistake. Maybe you forgot to mention my name. Because I went to Sticks places. They're in a couple of chairs. They told me they came here. I wanted to sign the contracts. Understand? But no, Innocent, we're still gonna call you. You understand? We're gonna still go through the tapes. You understand? And see what we fit in a criteria. Correct, understand? I mean, please, one last chance, nyakela. I insist. Understand? But okay, you can wait outside. Understand? I waited, patiently waiting, bra. Understand? And then I saw when by the stairways, I saw the two who sticks behind the makeup artist. Yeah, one who sticks no chest. The one chest say is blonde. Hey, who sticks is shiny dicks hand. Hey, my daughter, I'm looking at the situation. The one and went back. Okay, what about it? On but no. We just went through the tapes and we made a decision. Uti, you are a good candidate. You understand? Yeah, when here's the contract, you can go. You can go to the other room and try and try your clothes. I said, oh my God, thank you so much. What if he didn't go? Maybe it is a power of the presence.
Yeah.
Or you understand? Or maybe they would call me. Maybe they wouldn't if I didn't come.
I think one from your story.
Yeah.
One message or one chore, like when you want something, you need to stand up and you need to try by all means. Was like chances are never can so phone.
I think so. I think so. But
you have to go there and then because at the same time, okay, challenge pressure goes.
TV, you understand? You. I challenge. No. I have what much. Not even punch. Okay,
the second one on you. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I quickly fix it? Yeah. It's fine like this.
Yeah, Isha.
Also, again, it's rock and roll.
So no Chester.
Yeah.
Chester sale wa change Chester kwa hizo.
Yeah, wa change Chester for me
so
yeah.
Chester obulela nkaina kola nana lezola ka kwa jele ka ku.
No. Ejele kathi ku Chester 2 lo uDumsani Dlamini. You understand? Because ulitsona uChester 1 no Papa Action 1 bona bagcina ngeyizo 1. You understand?
Papa Action 1 nesizola ha.
Papa Action oqala bukulo tuzana uCosmo lo kaJala ku generation. Yes, and then the second Chester ulo ebengidlalena na kuzone 14 ukhona kule
Barking the series
the umthetho utenga umthetho yeah
Chester ojwali yena
Chester waniphuma negazeli one
ngiyamona Chester so byanungwena ko then umthetho ne so aba azange uzame ukutsena ko umthetho.
No. Because by the time I went there, got the casting already. You understand? They were just looking for a background artist. You understand? I'm a background artist.
Background artist like
I'm a extra. You understand?
Oh, that manola. I movie
because them fools. But still,
kick. Chuba mokgole ba bitsa re ke di backup ke di
By the time I went there, when I went to open auditions, and they've already casted, they already cast into the main characters. Understand?
Okay.
So that guys for the background artist or featured artist. Understand? When I went there, and then they told me straight up, I went with there. No, my man, I'm a character now. Is now mancane. Understand? Maybe as ngathatha igama lakho and serve you for future references. Understand?
Yeah, okay.
And then
Because
I know if season 2 iyabuya ngiyangicela manje if you're watching bra please season 2 third akusho mina kusho abantu thina please baba put me in baba
Yes, sir.
bra
Yes, sir. You already heard. and vele like ekile vele ke a bona gore ke stuff se le gore o ka bola di character ke stuff sa go stuff se ke a bona no it's like yeah like why ba sa plaka bo
but sometimes I do understand because with casting is very tricky, you understand, because sometimes when ungathola abantu maybe abayi-2 or abayi-3 abane equal brilliance, you understand. So it's sometimes kuba hard kuba nzima ukuchoose ukuthi kahle kahle ubani ongayidlala yabona. But whoever oyithathile, the winner takes all.
The winner takes all.
And I understand ukuthi ama-opportunities maningi yabona everybody, understand. So yabona angeke give up manje yabona because of angitholanga character kumthetho or the character kuphi you understand. Yabona there's time and place for anything, you understand.
Okay, Krotman, bobo kwa yizo athoma jali drugs.
Ngibhema ama-drugs for Louise as a character.
Like from the beginning. No sense to be the drugs. Because I watched it. Like character abo we the drugs from the get-go.
From the get-go, you understand. But people babaqala ukungibona ukuthi ubhema ama-drugs ezubobo kuyizo kosikolong, you understand. Because of the audience, because all eyes on me, you understand. But komkhukhung wakhe ehotshini lami no sticks nakhona bengibhema.
Yes.
But manje into abantu bebe surprise ukuthi bengibhema but still go to school, yabona. Mama ngiyascale, you understand.
So back in the days during that yizo era. So taba ya di drugs in real life no shit we touch or no sanga utsuba di drugs or tomo actor character
I don't know. Just before Izo, maybe try once or twice, you understand, the party. Mina bonga umuntu osibhemela izolo marijuana, you understand. When office I still do. When maybe most people bangaba surprised ukuthi how can this person say this, understand, because it's not long. Because at some point I fell off the wagon and I went straight to ama-drugs. Now experience in real life.
Okay.
Yeah, you understand. I think back 4 years ago, I think about 2021. Understand, after my mother passed away, you understand. But angeke ngiblame yena, you understand. But then by then I decided we are at rehab after a very long time using ama-drugs, understand. And I corner for one reason, understand, because I lost so much, you understand. I lost a house, I lost cars, I lost my marriage, you understand. Mostly, you understand, one of the things that I have worked hard for, you understand, and that stigma, you understand, when assistant Kawata too much, because it took isikhathi esibhaye ukuthi ama-directors, producers and some other companies bank trust, you understand. Because if we are known ukuthi we use ama-drugs, understand, and nobody want to associate them with the junkies, you understand. Because of the of the stereotypes, understand, the stigma, you understand. And because the stigma will always follow you, understand. Because into I went straight to a public platform. I told them straight up, which no, I have a drug problem, understand, and I need rehab as soon as possible when I want to change my life, understand. Because big time every day I'm losing opportunities. When some people trusted before, they don't even answer my calls, understand. When even sometimes challenges, I choose who do I call, understand? Because some people say now that they want another thought, understand? If innocent ufuna 200 rand, maybe ufuna drugs, not understanding what life I revolve around drugs. Maybe ufuna ukugibela ngiyopanda somewhere and stuff, you understand? And I'm not touching drugs anymore, you understand? But once I'm seeing mhlambe ngikhuluma nomuntu having a conversation nomuntu abamazi ukuthi usabhema ama-drugs bavele bathi confirmed usabhema loyo. If I'm seeing in those spaces and manje uma umuntu uphila sometimes angeke u-avoid wonke umuntu sometimes nokuhlala nama-drug addicts, understand? People bese abantu ba-assume ukuthi vele I'm still using kanti these people bafuna i-help, you understand? Especially after seeing the show yami le yaku-Moja Love, ibuyele ekhaya because I'm hosting a new show angithi where I'm helping ama-junkies reunite nama-families wabo, helping them ukuthi back my rehabs, understand? When sometimes they do invite me emajele ekolweni to speak strong, motivate nokukhuluma about ama-damages kakhulu caused to ama-drugs, understand? And in most time I don't shy away ngenza nangami i-example ukuthi this is what happened game, understand? Direct, you understand? Fortunately mina I manage to dodge ukufa, you understand? Because most of my peers are no more, and I can't even mention their names because they are no more. It's disrespectful, you understand? But a lot of them died in front of my eyes, seeing them, you understand? So 2 minutes, 5 minutes later, to wear my drinks, overdose to the show. I've experienced that so many times, bruh, you understand? So that's why I decided to let me just go back to a rehab. Because I now want to say, with my drugs, if there's one addict in the house, you're all affected. Because we hide our cell phones, understand? When somebody over security as a fridge because they know what you
a problem.
And imagine what's when one was affected so, understand? Because what's when I take a pay we know what is you. What's when I take a pack of fridge because these people sometimes they sell anything just to get the next fix, understand? And one thing common about ama junk, especially labo afuthi abang afford at all ama-drugs, understand? They're likely to, they are manipulative, they steal, they cheat, some kill for the next fix. You understand?
Con artist.
Yeah, I get the con artists, most of them, you understand? And they're manipulative, different. And bayashaya ngapha. Ngeke ubuye baba. Yeah, too much, bruh, too much.
So Mara Grootman, like so when the drugs azanga do affect the health wise. I wanna because the drugs.
Affected too much. It's just that I was so fortunate because the time I was involved with drugs, I was also working. You understand? So because I respected my work so much that even though every time manya is spanning benga pay, you understand? After work nangama weekends, you understand? Right? When you tell about the cut, then I go straight to the car, shamalan wam, or in Pema, whatever, because I smoked almost everything. Puma go cocaine, Puma go Tuzan. Kunyawopi heroin, rock, you understand? And the rock without going to rehab, I just told myself, and I nearly died, bruh. I nearly died because of alostro. Understand? Alostro if maybe because it is an heroin is one drug controller, understand? if you haven't smoked for several hours, you understand, and then uzwa isisu ngazathi kunamakhathi la esiswini, understand. Even if you're trying to eat something, you might eat something, but after 2 minutes you throw it out, understand. Because yenzani iqeda awubi appetite.
Okay.
You understand? Uyabona, even nokudla kumnandi kanjani noma ngathi bapheka ama-7 colors, yabona, your favorite dish, yabona, if you haven't smoked, yabona, if awakabhemi yet, understand, lokho kudla lokho angeke kungene, yabona, it's just a waste.
So that like it's a type of sickness.
Withdrawal symptoms. You understand? So I tried, yabona, ukuthi ngiye e-clinic on my own. You understand? So ama-withdrawals, my man, I was sweating, vomiting, understand?
So
I lost so much weight. Like drastically. You understand? Mama ngiyadla again. But uphuza amanzi awangeni amanzi, yabona. Mawuthi uyageza umzimba uyaluma. You hate water so much. Yabona. Have you seen a Nyawupe guy? Yabona, ahamba ivula ina angeke. If it's raining, you won't see no one. Because trapping, yabona. Because very itchy.
To go back and get the drug.
Is to get the drug, or if you want to quit, total. There's no other way. I want to just consult in a clinic, or in the one cancer or in organization. Maybe I'll remember it later. Understand? Yeah, maybe it could be a rehab or your local clinic. I want at least I want a medication. I want as an outpatient. You understand? But if you want I think the best way I want to get a direct rehab. You understand? And learn more. And I said, because that was the only reason I went to a rehab. Because just before near a rehab, I went to a friend's place. Where it was an note, and I said, no, my pieces, before rehab, I went to his place, understand? Because I wanted to at least, by the time near rehab, at least things was super. You understand? Yeah.
Okay. So, Grootman, like, so you'd say, drugs, the loss of your mother, or was it?
Before I don't know. It's not about a character, understand? It's just that when I fell off the wagon because for one reason, understand? Because when I think after Izo 3, understand? The fame was too much and stuff, understand? And I wanted to spread wings. Yeah, you understand, ngokuthi when associate nabanye abantu okudala bakhona egaming, understand, kanti ngizowela egroupini wrong, you understand. Yabona ngimangale bona nawe nekini mhlambe phela ngesikhathi seyizo zone 14 chisa time.
Yes.
Yo, my man, I was getting books like back to back, you understand. But sometimes I would get tired to ngihamba nabantu mara ngiyamangala mina sometimes when we were drinking from the same bottle, but every time I would get sloshed, you understand. Starting tell you about tank, pop. But I think how now, abaphuzi bona yabona. So let's say yaqala ama suspicions, you understand. Ngaqala ngabalunguza ngababona bashaya amaline ngangena ngababuza ngathi yini lento leyidla yabona. But no, my man, yabona wena, you're not meant to be in this room. Yabona ngathi why? Because always must phuza mina yabona. After a couple minutes or after an hour, nonke ngiyangidotsha ngishiya ngiyi-1 etafuleni sengisele notshwala yabona kaninzana yabona. But le lift me up ukuthi ungalentuza. When first I was introduced to cocaine yabona, but he lift me up yabona ukuze ungakhathali, understand. And I was told by people I was looking up to Sakura. I won't mention their names. I said, I don't know. You've seen the thing, and they were very successful. You understand? Because within that group there was a director, there was a producer, there was a promoter. You understand? So with these people, I was living life. Because I was getting money.
Doing it with them because you can.
So I didn't know anything about cocaine then. I only had the weight, but the first time I saw it, I just saw it the Cremora, you understand what? I just hit it. It's a lift me up. Powder energy, but this and it was trend then. Imagine. Understand? And
a small portion like that.
A small portion like that, and imagine, and no portion there. No more one. I can satisfy. There's no stopping. Let us. I want. I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop.
So like it create a addiction. Yes.
Yeah, one addiction is strong. Understand? So many hit at that one line. No, my man. Yes. Yo, the world was beautiful. I became when I sober in an instant. I was sober, and I said my mind was way too sharp. You understand? So I want you understand? So when I started, I thought maybe I want something like a cigarette, something that
you
can stop when I pay or stop it whenever you want. I want just like alcohol. It was a social thing when I started, understand? And then when it became a habit, when it became a daily thing, when it became a weekend thing, when it became a holiday thing, it became a daily thing,
and then hourly thing,
and a hourly thing, I want a minute thing. Before I knew it, I was hooked, bruh. Understand? And when I started spending money that I didn't have. Understand? Because even my banks will offer me loan when they're looking at my salary. Understand? Never knowing what this is just a contract.
Yes.
Understand? It might end anything anytime. Understand? So because when I started, understand, I was offered.
You didn't buy.
I didn't buy. You understand? Even the guys from NHL, Ehrenberg, some of them knew me. Some of them knew my work. Nigerian, most of them. You understand?
So like these Nigerian guys are actually dealing drugs, ne?
Yeah, most of them. Not all of them, but most of them. You understand? Yeah, most of them. You understand? So I was offered. I was offered till I got hooked. Understand? Then I couldn't stop. It was a daily thing. And imagine those guys there. So I saw it. And the amateur will be Ehrenberg. You understand? Sometimes cost the petrol. It trip A1 cost 500 because I have to pour petrol. I must have something to drink.
Yes.
The pack itself is 300 rand. Sometimes you know they say when I say you can. Really move and buy any food. So imagine, sometimes, especially on weekends, we're going to spend more than 2,000 for the drugs and alcohol. New one.
2,000.
2,000.
We're talking Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
I'm talking Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Over climbing Saturday, maybe Katele. And when I'm finishing up, I'm a residuals and stuff. You understand? But it became a daily thing, and I got to sing almost every day. I said Monday to Sunday. So imagine every day spending 300 rand every day. How much is that yearly? How much is that? And for a minute, for more than 10 years. You understand? That's how I lost my access one. The one my belongings one. You understand? Even the marriage. You understand?
Also,
yeah, because he was almost overdose. I want. Libafanas. Akavuki. Hayi.
So like
overdose. Ayivuki. And that contributed.
So like
when
msadi wago like le sebaka se se ka kang o submit.
For instance, because sometimes riding, understand? Because overdose, you understand? And in most time you spend a lot of time starting. Sometimes I will go for 2 to 3 days without sleep. What? Strategy, yes. Understand? ngapha kade sengi-edited naku-gambling yabona because ngike ngawina once or twice imali engazihlakaniphile nyana boma 5,000 8,000 yabona. So I thought ukuthi okay, this is the easy money I want to support my habit, you understand, than stealing yabona my children's money.
Yes.
You understand yabona. So yabona, so izinto yabona ezinjalo yabona zingikhawathe yabona big time izicontributile ukuthi ngilose izinto ezibhaya in my life, understand yabona, because my bebengakakwazi kusaseyifiance futhi yabona, because kacinga ngokumlobana nje kuphela yabona. So naye she felt ukuthi ushithi kahle akasina space sakhe kimi, you understand, because I was always away, you understand. But sometimes I'm away for 3 days uthought around yabona, bese ngiyekhani ngiteze kuphela. Friday ngiyaphuma, I'm booked outside yabona. So yabona kanti naye kade anganazo isikhathi sakhe yabona. Yabona she felt ukuthi ayazi yabona, let me just leave, you understand. So I couldn't stop her.
So automo utsuba di-drugs Grootman, ke mang motho a o notice jeng ka gaya gore you are using?
What I'm using is people who are also smoking, because
Like your brothers and sisters.
Yeah. My brothers knew about it, but I used to hide it, understand, because bengpema nabanye abantu abapema, understand. And there's this one trick about abantwana abapem, understand. Abantu abapemayo, they see each other. Sakhona communicate ngelanguage yamehlo, you understand, like ngama-movements, you understand. Yabona mhlawumbe sihleli kanje ne sesiphuza sonke kanje, mina sayithola ethi guy 1 wena soye guy 5, then I know something is up. Akade bekuthola yabona, now in again yabona yabona maso paranoid, ufila ngazathi iphawuda abantu bayayibona. Akade bekuthola, understand. Yabona uqala baletha ukudla wena you don't eat because of ivala in appetite, and then I can tell if I smoke, then I know. Mawuqala uhamba kanje ngiyakulandela nawe. Nje mina ngiphethe stuff saserandbek, wena uphethe isiphi? Hayi mina hayi baba nazi stuff. Eish ndaba manje hey, but you can tell ukuthi lo mntwana yabona ayimhami, ayimithi fokol watsuba.
Crystal yona zanga wethu.
The body language, I did it.
Crystal.
Yeah, I did it now. The crystal meth.
So which one is the most dangerous drug actually? Between amanzi go.
Crystal. I would all of them are bad, but the now are highly addictive, and they are dangerous. Just to mention a few, crystal, heroin, heroin, crystal, rock.
Oh, those ones there.
I have a friend, Pincham Kompumalang. You understand? That guy used to invite me Kompumalanga the weekends. I pay 5,000. Just I want to be seen around his businesses. I want to pay 5 to 10,000. I want just to be seen for appearance.
Yes.
And they keep in chaka. Anglanding a car, Manguikaya. In one weekend, having a Saturday, Sunday, have a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sending a work 10,000 cash. Understand? I think for the into air fuel and heavy time because I always had money. I want in the bank. It's coming. I'm appearances. I'm bookings. Understand? Because then even in the boogie playground it because guys got about tira and about big nas. We bring a guy corner then. So most of my event. If in the event in an artist lazy. I was at the event. I could complete. I go.
Oh, so you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So Grootman, he won only more then. More I blew it.
Yes.
So the I blew it. Ke varo scripted that.
No, it's not scripted. It's not scripted.
So like everyone who under like because I saw really you lost close to 500,000 in drugs.
Yeah, more than that. Because in cash I lost more than 500 rand in cash, you understand? And then in lost opportunities.
So lost opportunities, more lost opportunities. We like the opportunities.
Exactly. Mhlambe bomele mhlambe ngibe ne tour. Mhlambe ne department. Uthi calculate ukuthi in that 6 months maybe bengayenza more than 1 million, you understand? Kwenye tour ngenze money but once ba pick up ukuthi esandla umuntu odila ngama-drugs then bakuswitcha same time bakuvalela ngaphandle ukuthi no, we can't be dealing with iletswana
So the
with an
opportunities
addict.
tse digolo tse o di messaging because of
Yeah.
drugs ke di feng?
I once lost iletswana i-tour from i-Department of Water Affairs. Ngike ngamisa i-tour enjalo. Ngike ngamisa iletswana i-tour, iletswana i-house from the housing departments, and other jobs, you understand, from the government, you understand, because the government beyithanda ukunyusa kakhulu, you understand. So mara for the fact ukuthi kathi ba-pick up-ile ukuthi now I'm busy doing drugs because mina kahle mina some of my friends yibo abangisnisha, understand. Yabona batshela mhlawumbe some producers uthi mhlawumbe like ngiluse ifone and then mhlawumbe uthi i-producer or the promoter yazi ukuthi ingangithola through you, yazela bese wena uyangibad mouth cha lo muntu akatholakala esiwaya ngana phone, yabona is using ama-drugs kanje yabona. And akekho umuntu ofuna ukusi-associate ne-addict because of ama-myths yabona and stories yabona as-revolve around abantu ababhema ama-drugs, you understand. So I lost so much yabona just like that, you understand.
So wena like ditšhelete tšago di-asset tšago o di lositše ka di-drugs fela or ne go na le di-activities tše dingwe tše e le gore no o di dia mara o ntse o le busy o tsuba di-drugs?
No. Mina, I was only doing the ama-drugs phela.
So di-cherry
And I never. I ne-cherry zidlile imali yami bro wami. Zidlile wami. Yabona because sometimes bengini-overspend imali ngibona ngathi bangiphethe 50,000 uma ngiphethe 50,000 nemali eningi. When I would take some few friends nabo cherry sibukisa fly senguma-Durban siyakuphi nani yabona because yabona bengazi ukuthi noma ngayispenda le mali le maybe in 2 months time futhi ngizoyithola futhi I'm getting paid there. Ngisasenama-events yabona sasenama-deposit ama-events akuphi noma ngayidle le yabona still ngisazokhava, you understand. And when I started ukuza ama-drugs yabona benganama-responsibilities amaningi, you understand yabona. It was just mina and then my son came later nakhona futhi mntana futhi bangasi problem because nemali bekumsupporta ngayo bengayifile ukuyifile umnika imali ngifika ngathi ngathi ngamnika once again futhi, you understand, because I had a lot of money when I coming in, you understand. Yabona so when I lost ama-jobs sami yabona imali yabona stopped yabona ukungena in, you understand, and I was still in denial. Yabona ukuthi man, there's no way ukuthi lento lengenzeka, maybe ngizocover, maybe ngizoyenza, understand. And then I lost the house. When I lost the house, that's when I realized ukuthi shit yo Mendalo Krugerstop. Yeah, I was living there, understand. And then the cars A1 I sold it for next to nothing. A1 Gaipona. Yeah.
The names of the cars.
Names of the car. It was I had a Mercedes Benz, I had a Isuzu double cab, I had a blue GTI. I want to like sale. I want to party. I never owned a brand new a brand new car. You understand?
You bought them
The one. Yeah. So, yeah. And I never had a brand new car. You understand? But most of I'm busy fresh for one which I carry. Yeah. You move to artist or you move to well respected. You understand? The one. So the other car, I used to go pawn shop. You understand? And then I couldn't pay up. When I couldn't keep up with my payments. And then by and then they gave me a lousy 5,000 for a car that I bought again is on 120,000.
Damn.
Well, because of his storage, his card, you understand. And the corner, the 5,000 rand, you understand, because I borrowed 30,000, you know. Then I came over for 10,000. I came over for so already I was owing them more than 50,000 plus storage. Yeah, well, it's storage secard and everything I want. So okay, I want my paper. No. I chat people like that in police station. About pizza. I should very I tried to went against me now, so I lost. I lost the case.
So cherry. I want to cherry with industry.
Oh, industry. I almost, but I never.
Azanga like a more industry yalene. I want to let you one
like famous and stuff.
Yes.
No. I never. Yabona. Yeah, but most of them were friendly. Abanye vele kade bangifensa. I could see, you understand? But then when for one reason, because bengavoida ukuthi ngizojola nawe manje, understand? While if siba ne problem ukuthi angeke perform the
Yes, yes. So, yeah, don't they
the way
do that type of thing?
we are supposed to,
Yeah,
yabona,
that
because
was very
Gezang
important.
he just talk,
So you were very professional about your.
yeah, so I was very professional, yabona. So isikhathi esiningi mina benokuchawa laba basemasayidini nje, yabona, laba bama-extra bama-model yabona, kufike aboma 1 day 2 days nyana, you understand? Yibo benokudlalela kubo because I know ukuthi angeke ngibabone every day. You understand? Yeah.
I get you. So Grootman, ke sefeng story se se crazy se le gore se le sa direga behind the scenes se le gore a zanga go botsa motho ko izo izo, like maybe the encounter le actor ka kwa izo or anything e le gore like you have never spoken about,
Or like a fight or something.
not necessarily a fight, but like a situation e le gore sa le ano diega behind the scene e le gore like it's crazy mara you have never spoken about it.
Mina esikhathini esiningi you know what, Dona Brian, because I know ukuthi when I'm on set, I'm on a professional space. You understand? So esikhathini esiningi mina I try by all means, by any means necessary to avoid ama fights. And stuff, you understand? Because I understood since in industry, it is a small industry, you understand? And the game is unpredictable, you understand? So it's gonna cost me too much, you understand? I can't afford to have enemies within this. Yeah, the space. Because with South Africa, the scale is very small. Understand? Ngathelele producer A1, and then I will never ever work in town again. And I said, I was so much if we try to United States of Africa, we South Africa can get a job in Nigeria, can get a job in Burkina Faso, can get a job in Sunday Party. With South Africa, the scale is much smaller. Smaller, you understand? And imagine respect space suspense because acting young save. You save life, I understand. I started owning Indlu and from renting to owning Indlu, owning Ikari, changing my life around, changing my family's life because of acting, you understand? But so that is why noma benga acting angazi ngaya under the influence, understand? Because I didn't want to lose the job because I love my job so much, you understand? Because it changed my life. I want even though it's easy to lose, but the memories because I know ukuthi acting ingakuthatha la ikubeke up there, understand? So that's why I always respected my work. So much, understand? Even my enemies, instead of having my enemies, instead, I will be friends with everybody from security secretary to mama was it a kitchen to a crew members, understand? Like the lighting department, what I just become friends with everybody because I know what you whying in Nandla. There's some things they fund there's some things they fund and that makes me a better actor. Understand? Because everything is says that it's being scripted. So there's no way when within the production, abantu was experience you understand? So sometimes I can read the script, you understand, and go an extra mile and research and ask other people. You understand? Even the secretary with hey man, are you familiar with it? So yes, I read so. That made me a better actor. You understand? Because most things the biggest portray based on reality. Because I know exactly which natural value, no experience. I mean, when I direct,
this is how it happened.
This is how it's done. This is how it happened. Somebody we experience it. You understand? Yes.
So, but you still have the talent.
100%, bra. Because for me, when acting for me, speaker and acting for me is more of a calling. Of a calling by you understand? It will never ever fade away, bra. You understand?
So like now, if my people were about to check the talent or actor, what would you do?
So, my brother, anything, bruh. You understand? I can cry, I can
You can
smile,
cry.
I can even, let me picture this if I'm trying. We know very well what I'm not. Yeah. Can we try?
So that
I can cry, I can smile, I can do anything. You see? So talent program. It should never fade away, my man. If you are
So-
called for something, may go this thing. You
so you
understand?
still have the talent.
100%, bra. 100%, bra. And imagine what makes it even worse. I love reading.
Oh, you love.
Yeah, well, I love reading, and most people, bacabanga ukuthi ngi-antisocial, and I'm not. Understand? Ngiyayithanda i-company yabantu yabona, but I've learned the art yabona ukusurvive ukuthi ngikwazi ukusurvive alone. You understand? Yabona ukuthi ngikwazi ukufeel complete without ikhampani yabanye abantu. You understand? So I've learned that art. You understand? Ukuthi noma ngabe ngiyi-one, you understand? Yabona ngikwazi ukusurvive ngiyi-one without calling anyone, without asking for help. You understand? Understanding myself. You understand? Accepting the situation, because most artists yabona njengamanje maybe ngina more than 3 ngingasebenzi iSpanish Street. Well, when I show any host at the moment, you understand? I cannot say it like maybe it's cut some unkulunkulu sangibekele esinye isikhathi, you understand? Maybe nama effects ama-drugs in the past asa-affecta namanje.
Yeah.
You understand? About that stigma still follows me even today. You understand? There's only few people abangihayarayo for ama-job, or people abaphila nami close, aba-understandayo ukuthi u-innocent umuntu onjani. You understand? Party. Understand that I think it's an everyday battle, my man. It's an everyday battle, because it affects you every day. You understand? Omunye umuntu namanje 4 years later, yabona ngibuye i-rehab, ngiwayekile ama-drugs, usasele nto leyo ukuthi ayi u-innocent, i-drug, i-junkie, because I understand that journey. Understand? So I think somehow, because most of our people, especially mangizo ngenzani mangizo i-example ngale show ngiyenzayo, the show ngiyenzani Musha Love, ne ibuyela ekhaya, ne, because most yamajaki uthola ukuthi umuntu watshontsha kubo or wamosha kama-career nani, and then wabaleka. So manje sekafuna ukwenzani manje, ukuyoxolisa kulabantu laba abenze wrong, ukuyoxolisa efamilini yakhe. So that's where I come in, mina. Because ngiyakhona ukurelate now. You understand? Because I've been down the same road.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand myself. And I still put my drugs. How does it feel? You understand? Within the mood embalixing ekhaya, was ngiyabuyisela emakhaya and reunite reunite my families wabo, restore their dignity by my rehab. Understand? But the problem with mekaphuma rehab, society izomwelcome kanjani na. Understand? Because no more rehab. Understand? But that neighbor otshontshele itayara lemoto or utshontshele something akakakhohlwa akanandaba ukuthi we-rehab usafuna itayara lakhe. You understand? Yabona labantu laba obabavurvala estradini obavictimizer, we haven't forgotten ukuthi when was victimized. You understand? So who prepares about people, yabona ukuthi lo muntu sephuma rehab sakatshentshile, yabona ucela i-chance nani akekho. So that is why it's likely ukuthi most yama-addicts ba-relapse umuntu awele ejele futhi. Understand? Because ubuya kuphi e-rehab uzama u-avoida leya group ophuma nawo before, uzama ukuzibikisa nama-jets agrand aphuza, yabona asiphuzela ama-drinks, abashisele inyama, yabona ungafika ukuzimikisa nawo bayaku-reject. But laba obhekwa nabo uthi wona they welcome you ngale ndlela lemnandi, uzubona ukuthi fuck, yabona ukulabona khona ukuthi i-life sometimes i-unfair. Understand? And then you get the next person, yabona uboshele ukubulala umuntu, but i-public imxolela 1 days naso amxolela bakhohliwe ukuthi wenzeni. Wena wabheka ama-drugs okwakazotshotshela umuntu usenkingeni for life.
So
you see justice system
encounter
again.
those situations, Jordan, like, but well cast out because of your previous experience.
Yeah.
So-
I think that that contributed more as well. You understand?
So if they were here, all of them, but why they still look at you as a drug addict.
Yeah.
Ba gona moo ba tletse mo, ka moka ga bona. So what would you say to them?
To people who used to hire me.
Ba they still look at you
Yes.
as a drug addict, even after when you went to rehab and you everything, you are clean now.
Exactly.
How long have you been clean now?
For 4 years now.
4 years.
4 years.
So, but there's still people you're talking about by Lori, you once stole a tire.
Yeah.
They still have that mentality, mindset.
Yes.
You're using drugs.
So because one thing as a person, the way umhlaba judgmental ngakhona is that you do right, people will talk. You do wrong, people will talk. You understand? But I think the only thing we all deserve a second chance. We all deserve a break. Just give me a break. And see ukuthi lento omele sihlanganise sithu ngenza kanjani. If yangihlula is fair enough. You can fire me. Understand? But just give a person a second chance. If you fail futhi ke wakhe lokho. You understand? Because everybody does mistakes. Everybody ngeke a mistake. You understand? But why abanye kumele baxolele abanye bangaxolela? Everybody deserves a second chance and a new break. That's it.
So that's what you're asking from.
Yeah, a new break. Just give me a new break. Understand? Fair. Understand? Because since I came back from rehab, I got to complain and I want much thanks to the South African government. Because they gave me my platforms so many times. Understand? When they trusted me, and thanks to Moja Love, understand, for trusting me with their show. Understand? Because when I didn't go for auditions for their show, they came knocking to my door with the idea was a show. So I wanted to editing. I want never mind with what happened. I want in the yesterday or whatever in the past, but we believe in you. And we know what you can do that. So some other people already gave me a second chance. Understand? If all of them can try me, then I'll bounce back. I'm not. That's all I want.
So you won't disappoint them.
So I don't want to be a charity case.
Yes.
Understand? Because I don't want to be a laughing stock. Understand? I just need a break and work for myself. You understand? Because once I become a charity case, and then I want to know their father is a charity case. Boy, what about my children? I just want to work hard and provide as a man. You understand? Yes, and restore my dignity. That's all I need. A break.
So you need a second chance from the industry.
That's all. You understand?
So Khurad, the drugs in Gastabuela ever.
No. I want. This is why sometimes if they ask me, Guti, my drugs, yes, I did quit my drugs, but not them all. Not all of them.
Okay.
Because you'd be lying if you say all of them.
Which one are you using?
I still smoke cigarettes. I still visit marijuana. I still drink.
Oh, okay.
Because because I told myself because according to our regulations and our regulations, I say rehab, you're not even supposed to be drinking or smoking, but they regard those as ama triggers. Understand? Ama triggers. Understand? So I told myself, I'm not working full time. I'm getting bored. Rather than relapse. You understand? Let me go back to ama bad habits vele ama bad habits ebengwenza but ebengikwazi ukucontrola mina and then I decided to quit ama drugs acontrola mina and then I went back to ama drugs engikwazi ukucontrol like cigarette no marijuana ne alcohol that I do ngiyaphuza bafethu angisungujesu bafethu I'm not clean bafethu ngiyaphuza ngiyabhema insangu ngiyabloma nama junkie but not that I'm smoking. No, but I spent 80% of my time alone. Yeah.
So nyope yona azangabe beyamo strategy.
No. I wasn't big strategy because has mentioned earlier on I was so fortunate because during that era yama drugs you understand benkhona afford ama drugs even though I wanna kuma last years just before decide to quit drugs for good. You understand? But that the thing is spend the money that I don't have through banks, because banks will offer me loans. You understand? Sometimes ngicela imali kwabanye abantu abangitrustaya abasabhilivela kimi, yabona, nabanye phela ukuthi abangani bami bonke bangijekela bonke, you understand? Bakhona abanye bebelokungikhera for 4 years, 2 years, yabona, paying rent on my behalf, yabona, buying groceries on my behalf, you understand? For the past 2 years, there were ladies from between 2001, 2, and 3. There were certain ladies. All one got us bizarre, meaning twin. We twin love. I used to call me a twin. We met through Iletuzan, social media, and then her with her other friends. They used to contribute money. We used to give me 4,000 to 5,000 every month.
Oh wow!
But contributor, you understand? We like what you're doing. Go to Puma rehab, and you are helping abanye, understand? And we know it's kind of costly if you are doing it alone, without a production house, without the design. Because I started doing this thing via YouTube before Emotional Life came through.
Oh, so you were doing it on your own?
I was doing it on my EP half, with the help of my uncle. Who tell me my don, you understand? So I'm interviews and stuff, so I would get them a booking sometimes. And then this group of ladies from Etevenenanda, they will send me between 3,000 to 5,000 every month. You understand? So you understand what we're being told support from Judas Malima. When I got the support from Judas Malima, because he's the first person he sent people from his own office. What was an interview? The interview was based on June 16 area. You understand? They wanted intake what was my take comparing strike it was 76 you understand? That's when I spoke openly and publicly about drugs, because that's the thing. I say go focus on youth 76. When most of them, they're into drugs, they're into stealing and stuff. You understand? Abeko well motivated. Most of them are 350. My jobs, and that thing is frustrating. It's frustrating very much. You understand? You food but it's a choice that you make as a person. Understand? I would vele ngoba ushonela abazali, and then sokuzoba excuse there because ushonela abazali because on a job nanan, then and then bese it is a solution kuba drugs. No, it's a choice as a person that you make. You understand? Yeah, you understand. But it must about I want as fun. I want to aba easily influenced. You understand? I want to aba wela drugs because are available everywhere.
Yes.
Because the much up there. Every third house from your house, if it's not your house, there's a drug addict. Every third street or every second or third street, there's a drug deal. And I said, they are wild open. They are available. Even the police, they know about the situation, but they don't arrest anybody. But now I guess not blame because the system is bigger than us.
Exactly.
I don't know go deep to that because I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Yeah, the system.
That's why I always avoid politics and religion.
I know.
I don't like politics. I like politics and religion, but I just avoid.
Just to keep you.
Just to keep. Just good to keep it safe because I don't want to die. I don't want to go into details because I know so much, but I don't know.
So you have so much information about it.
So much, my brother. But so many. The only thing I want to focus on is to help about than fighting the system. Rather save the least than fighting the system because I won't survive.
So the system is huge.
The politics, the connection. When I was coming on my drugs, we are talking about the business side of it, the politics side of it. I know.
So the thing is, what's funny?
Because ask yourself one question. There's nothing in South Africa without the passport, without the government not knowing. No. They know direct or indirect.
Exactly.
You understand? So some things that is why ngafuna ukungena kuma details because I don't want to die.
So they know
the system.
there are drugs in here. Even
It's a system prior because imagine if ama-drugs bongekho, you understand? Well, because I believe that ama-drugs were created just to destroy the youth, you understand?
Mm.
Because if there were no drugs and the education system was proper, ama-drugs bongekho available. Sonke mhlawumbe ngabe most of us sicabanga ama-mine. Sicabanga izinto ezi-serious ezi-important, understand? But how do you think about productive things? Upetrol amalentuzana, ama-withdrawal syndrome, and all you need is 30 rand.
30 bucks.
So uzocabanga kanjani ukuthi mangaya kulo mhlaba uzocabanga kanjani ukuya e-university uyoba i-geologist uyofunda about umhlaba? You understand? Or protect the minerals of your own country.
And you are surrounded by
angeke thing. Understand? Uphuma esigela kanje uphasile ngama-flying colors uphasile ngama-distinctions e-universities, and then uyakokota kuma-companies athize, and then bakuthena down but overqualified. Bafuna 5 years experience. Ithatha 5 years experience uphuma esikolweni no-study. You understand ukuthi i-system now yasicover too much, understand? Because what they're teaching us how to serve the master.
Oh, they
don't teach you
how to become a master.
How to become a master. You understand? About financial literacy, they don't teach us those things.
No.
I mean, sometimes I fail to understand. What's the point of schooling for 13 years? You can't even build your own room.
You can't even
you can't paint. I was carry.
You know nothing.
Yeah, you know nothing.
You only when you're
blind, I don't ID.
Yes.
I don't computer skills. You understand?
Yeah,
So you understand what it is a dream of a young black man. If I want that, I was at high school because people are in there. Because you know very well. I'm not sure more to pass metric. Where do we go? You understand? If the hope, or you know very well, which has it, Mangsuala Minayas, your service as a soul. You understand? It's kind of super much like none. I was going to because you've got hope, you know, let's go in. You understand?
That's how white people do these things. So that's why you don't find white people in the universities. Most
exactly.
They study for things that they know for sure. That
things that matters the most.
So right now we understand anything. Like we study 7 subjects, 10 subjects, 15 subjects. They are not even interrelated. You're doing something that is very different, and then after when you go to the varsity, you're going to
something different as well. It's just waste of time sometimes. I wonder how many high school dropouts was it? How many college dropouts was it?
So many.
Podcast guys. We were supposed to be engineer. Okay, sharp. Okay, let me just do this for survival. This is your calling.
You understand?
It was like that.
Because like you see the educational system that they actually imposed on us.
You understand the one? And I hate the person who creating homework. I want that person who creating homework. That was the punishment. Food. The one which over-occupy so that you is important.
You think homework is the problem?
Yeah, it's a problem. Because with more homework, when do you find time to book any indaba? About things that matters the most. You understand?
I think
uthola kanjani isikhathi sokuthi uhelpe umalume wakho unika rezitri la ejardini uyothengile isiko uthola kanjani isikhathi sokumncedisa?
No, but I think homework was created so that you can
punishment.
You can have it.
Punishment so that mosuka kuleya forward because moto abheka sibali amajele ikolo amaclinic ama-hospital zonke ilizwana yakhona iplan abazike ngayo is almost the same zonke zadepressa lezi zinto lezi usoku-4 walls uya ku-4 room bofika laphana umqondo wakho awakabreathe no-breathe homework homework home chores. Home chores, you sleep, you eat, you sleep. The following day, motofika esikoleni. All the teachers, now that my angry, 1 minute later, you get punished, but there's a corporal punishment. Everybody angry. We're schooling, but angry. You're something. Figure it something, but angry. You understand? The world is angry.
Okay, Broadman.
So I think Ihumeko was designed for that, just to distract Utago Mnyama. Noma basuphumile esikoleni, but incwadi zakubambile. So yini enye usazocabanga productive.
No, you can't think.
Ikho. That's why sathi uthola abantwana besikole basafake i-school uniform abo 5 o'clock. Moya kuya familiar with that. Ukuthi akayitholanga nani chance yokuchange ibada zesikolo. So lack of the homework. 5 years experience, mara the 2 months of Puma University.
And most of these folks, they just come out and you find someone with a doctorate of whatever.
Yeah.
And then, but they don't even have a skill of anything. They cannot do nothing like this. Nothing they can do.
You understand?
Papers, and then when they get hired, they still get to learn how to do the job.
How to do the job, you understand? So what was the university for? What was the university for? What was the school for? Because
also, another thing that I actually find distracting the interview process.
Exactly.
Because there are people who are well spoken, dog.
Exactly.
They cannot do shit.
I'm telling you.
They cannot talk.
Yeah, but they can do shit.
They can do a whole lot.
Yeah.
And you fail an interview because you couldn't give them what they want. Tell us about yourself. We don't even know how to
I believe.
Sell yourself.
I believe.
And they don't teach that at school, Mus.
They don't. Most years into as a server visa, half of them is for the strategy.
Yes.
Because I believe street is the best teacher. Because that's where you learn most of is real.
That's how you live.
You understand? Driving as a driving school. Yeah, say driving school. I apply as a strategy. No. I don't have to do how seat belt, quarter pass. Or 2, you educate unamanga yabona nali phasi lezo oncoming when stick when ustika kunene stick opa stickers rather fail and you die. The education as a driving school. I apply for their needs.
But if your life was a movie,
yeah,
and you're done watching,
yeah,
what would you say you learned?
Oh my man, a lot, bruh. This is why it's a pie. I don't like to complain much or regret. You understand? Because I believe each and every hour, every minute, there's a purpose. You understand? Sometimes I believe sometimes uNkulunkulu yabo mekafuna ukukhuluma nawe directly yabona uzokuremove from ama crowds. You understand? Because yabona more part of the crowd yabona usemsindweni. If I call you won't even hear me.
Yes.
You understand? But when I remove you from the crowd, it's either ngifaka ejele, understand, or ngifaka esibhedlela. That's when uzokwazi communicate nami kahle. That's when uzokwazi ukucabanga kahle ukuthi shit. Yabona bangamelanga ngenza so, I could have done so, bangamelanga ngenza so. Man, this friend akekho right man, lo so akekho right man. No, le environment engihlala kuyo man yeni costayo man, yabona ula okhona ukwenzani yabona kuba ebathini konje self deep introspection. Yeah, self introspection. Yes,
you get to find yourself.
But when you're within the crowd, you don't think such things.
Yes.
You want. You understand?
You're distracted and you're overcrowded.
Yes.
So, like,
Yeah,
you've
well,
learned a lot about.
I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot, my brother. I want to never complain and never regret. You understand? But take each and every day and moment as a blessing. You understand? Because there's something to be learned. You understand?
That's very nice. That's
Yabona sometimes uNkulunkulu ukunisha lokhu kanti khona into afuna ukuthi ukunika afuna ukukupha yona because mina I believe ukuthi nathi as singabantu siphila kanje emhlabeni we all benefit. It's either direct or indirect. As you understand? Somebody uthole ithenda lokuthi akhe ibuild i-tar road for ikari yakho ukuthi kungabi nama-potholes nani. So yena ubenefitile financially wena ubenefitile ukuthi ama-assets wakho ahambe safe akusela ama-potholes anymore kunama-street lights than so we all benefit.
We all benefit directly or
indirect. Yes, I believe
so. Who's your favorite actor in the industry?
Worldwide or South Africa?
In South Africa.
Yo, South Africa, there's quite a few, bro. There's quite a few, but just to mention a few, Uchester lo discover. Popeye, Lispinach.
Oh, Popeye, Lispinach.
Yeah, na wangikhululisile blind. Umenzi Ngubane, bo Vusignene.
Rest in peace.
Bo ulobe kahle lo baba umloyi. Abo Mam Nandi Nyembe. You understand? I was so fortunate because when I started, I met a household name already. You understand? And imagine now, I'm that person now. I'm willing to learn. I sure with each and every day I must learn something. Must learn something. I said, either from a book or anyone or missile strategy because I'm so patient. You understand? I'm like that. I start as a celebrity or untouchable. You understand? I wait and listen. Just give a person an ear. Just listen. Fela.
So correct since when all like he said that you were telling correct when I first time too much
yeah. Most of them enjoy the one, but the first is always the best. Whoa, namanje basengibiza ngobo namanje ngobo nothing calling me bo. Understand? Yeah.
So man, in closing, like getting into your message to the people, but well or but the direction they can get out. They are overcrowded, like the way you were saying, or though like a crowd you cannot hear clearly. So coffee message or cover from or when your piece about most thing, and some of them depression and they are planning to actually get into drugs.
All I can tell them ukuthi for the fact that you are still living, which is uNkulunkulu usasene purpose for usasene purpose now yabona so it's for you to find out ukuthi kahle kahle yini le uNkulunkulu angithumelele yona emhlabeni ukuthi ngiyenze. Understand? And stop comparing yourself to other people. Understand? Because there's no way ukuthi singafana. We are not the same. Everybody uNkulunkulu umthumelela emhlabeni ukuthi azofulfilla ipurpose yakhe in a different way. You understand? Because sonke asekho academical sonke. You understand? Abanye abantu they are good with hands and everything. So the only thing best now, you always remember your mind is your heaven. Everything starts here. Everything iqale nge-idea. Ayikho into engamane yaba khona overnight. This is why even Bati the Rome was not built in one night. So you must understand ukuthi your mind is your heaven because you are what you are because yonke into oyenzile icherry ekaqoma abantu bajabulisile the car you have the houses you have it all started in here. It started with a thought. So no abantu bangakujaja noma kanjani ukuthi bangakujaja ukuthi uphuwa noma kanjani nani but nayo indaba la ikhona. Your mind is your heaven. Here.
Oh, wow.
Believe in your mind.
Okay. Okay, like you honored the invitation.
Jam, thanks for an honor. Yeah, thanks for an honor. Yeah. Thanks for the invite.
Advertise it.
Yeah, one.
Oh yeah. You
can tell by the smell. TM. Limpopo area, Limpopo Mengo Asha. It was seen as It's just as umenji, you understand? But now, from the tree to the container, from the container to the stomach. But if you want to order, please hit us on 072 475 7890 or simply contact us. Which is the other number?
I think it's 073.
073 151 5101. 073 151 5101. Go High Street, Gopi, and Jimmy Steen. Yes, but we can order. You order, we deliver. Munati aja. I know, person. Yeah, thank you so much, Majid. Thank you so much, Majid. Yeah, I'm loving what you're doing. God bless you. Because when giving about your platform is like giving me a second chance.
Yes.
Yeah, when you already gave me a break, you understand? Yes. So I know whatever I said here, it will reach 1 million ears.
Yes, yes. To help a whole lot of
it will
people.
be watched by a million eyes. There's no way already. There's things the thing is achieved already.
Oh,
Thank you so much, my brother.
Sure.
Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Marlene Podcast.
Yeah.
We're done and over with.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah.